my chemistry channel, my student. I'm Mr. KW, a teacher of chemistry, and today we are going to discuss the topic acid, bases, and salts, and we are going to look at the action of water on solids or the action of water on salts. Welcome, my student. And today, to be specific, I'm going to look at the action of water on solids, of a salt, of a weak acid, and a strong base. And my student, without wasting time, let me take you through what I have here with me. Okay, I have the boiling tubes and test tubes on a test tube rack. Also, I have a salt here, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate or bicarbonate is known as a salt of a weak acid and a strong base. Is it okay, my student? Then of course I have distilled water, and I also have a metallic spatula to scoop the solid. Then also I have pieces of litmus papers, that is blue and red litmus paper. My student, welcome. So the first procedure, I have to scoop the solid, sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is a white solid. Is it okay? So I take some amount on a spatula like this. Then my student, I transfer the solid into a clean boiling tube. Is it okay? Like this. Then the second procedure, I add distilled water to dissolve the solid. Is it okay? Like this. Then I have to shake to dissolve the solid thoroughly like this. So my student can observe that the solid, sodium hydrogen carbonate, dissolves to form a colorless solution. Is it okay? It dissolves to form a colorless solution. Then the next procedure, I now take the red and blue litmus paper, a piece of red and blue litmus paper like this. So this is a blue litmus paper. Can make the observation. Is it okay? Is it okay? Good. Then I also take another piece of red litmus paper like this. So this is a piece of red litmus paper like this. Then the next procedure, my students, I transfer this red and litmus paper into the boiling tube containing the solution where sodium hydrogen carbonate has dissolved like this. I have to transfer them and shake thoroughly like this. Then we make the observation what happens on the two litmus papers. In 1 or 2 minutes, we shall be able to make the observations on what has happened to the two litmus papers. Can make the observation, my student. There is something that is happening to the two litmus papers. Just relax and watch. So my student, you can observe that the two litmus papers, all of them have changed to blue. All the two litmus papers have changed to blue. You can now see the red one changes to blue while the blue one remains blue. Is it okay? So it means This solution is alkaline. The solution is alkaline. So my student, sodium hydrogen carbonate salt, it is a salt of a weak acid and a strong base. So it hydrolyzes in water to form alkaline solution. Is it okay, my student? So as any salt that has a hydrogen carbonate in it, that salt is a salt of a weak acid and a strong base, where it hydrolyzes in water to form alkaline solution. Is it okay, my student? So without wasting time, my student, in the next lesson I'll be discussing about a salt of a strong acid and a weak base. Subscribe into my channel for more lessons. Welcome.